Hey you! Yeah, you! Have you ever wanted an Among Us mask in GoAnimate?
No, not really.
Well, now you can.
What?
Introducing the Among Us mask in GoAnimate. So you can finally make all those Among Us characters that literally no one made except this one. So yeah, get the Among Us mask now. Oh yeah, and that GoAnimate tutorials guy, I think he's gonna show you how to install it or something, but he's kinda sus, so don't trust him.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Among Us mask in Wrapper offline. So, first thing you want to do is you want to open up the zip file you downloaded and extract everything onto your desktop. Or it can be anywhere really, but I'm just going to do the desktop. So once that's done, you want to go into File Explorer, then you want to go into your Wrapper offline directory. Now yours probably isn't going to look like this, but I just made mine a bit neater. So once you're inside your Wrapper offline directory, you want to go ahead and you want to go into Server. Then you want to go ahead and go into Store. Then you want to go into this gibberish thing. Then you want to scroll down until you find something called CC Store, CC underscore store, to be exact. You want to open that, and then you want to go into Family. Now Family is Comedy World. They just call it Family instead of Custom or Comedy World in here. So now once you're inside here, you'll see CC underscore theme. Now this is important, but we're not going to get to this yet. For now, you want to go into face decoration. This is all the accessories, hats, all that. They just call it face decoration. So you want to go ahead and go inside there, and then you want to see the 099. You want to take that and you want to drag it into here like that. Now once it's in there, you want to go ahead and click the up arrow once, and then you'll see cctheme.xml. Now you want to right click that, and if you have edit with no plus plus, you want to do that. But if not, you want to go to Open With and then Notepad. Now once you're in here, make sure word wrap is off. See how it's off? That's on. And that's off. So make sure it's off. So you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see mustache nope, beard nope, face decoration. Here we go. So what you want to do is you want to go all the way to the edge of this line and copy everything in there. Right click, copy. Then you want to go to the very end of the line we copied, which is right here. All this, you want to go ahead and click enter. Then you want to paste that. So right click, paste. Now see how neat it looks? You want to make sure it looks like that, okay? So it should go slash, no slash, slash, no slash, slash, no slash, like that. So now what you want to do is see how it says ID 078? That one also says ID 078. We can't have that. So we gotta change that to ID 099. And over here, path 078, 99. Name 99, just like that. Then you want to go ahead and save it, and there, you're done. That's pretty much all you have to do. So now let's go ahead and go into Wrapper. Okay, once you're in here, you want to go ahead and go to the accessories, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there it is. Now this is just something I made. It's not important. So yep, we're here now, and yeah, that's the Among Us mask. You can go ahead and shrink it, make it bigger, really whatever you want to do. But yeah, enjoy it. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'm making more stuff in the future. But the thing is, related to Wrapper Online, I really don't know what other tutorials to make. So if you're having trouble with something or you want to learn how to do something, let me know what tutorial I should make in the comments below, and I will make that. So yeah, that's it. See ya.